How to recover deleted chats on Instagram. Instagram does not support a direct way to recover the deleted message through the application, but however, there are a few methods that help you to retrieve deleted chats or check if there is any way to recover them. So here's how you can do it. Instagram allows you to download your account data, which may include your old messages, even ones that have been deleted. If chat was within your data, you might be able to recover it. So for that, you have to launch the Instagram and make sure to log into your account. Once you're on your home page, now go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on three lines or the hamburger icon in the top right corner, and here tap on Account Center. Scroll down a bit and then tap on Your Information and Permissions. Once you land on this page, tap on Download Your Information. Then again tap on Download or Transfer Information. Then choose your Instagram account, then tap on Next. Then tap on Some of Your Information. Scroll down a bit and there you can choose Messages and tap on Next. Then tap on Download to Device. Here, confirm all of this information. Your account, if you want to choose the date range, tap on it and then you can choose the date range from here. Once done, tap on Save. Then make sure that is your Gmail address, the format and the media quality. If you want to change it, tap on it and then choose your media quality. Once done, tap on Create Files and now your request is now submitted to Instagram. After that, you will receive an email. So check for the email for the link and open it to download your data, which may include your messages. And once downloaded, you can extract the zip file and check the messages folder to see if your deleted chats are available there. And that's how you can recover deleted chats on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.